Hey agency owners, ever wondered how to effortlessly enhance the visual appeal of your client's website with professional grade mockups? Let me introduce you to Mockup Studio in Builderall. So what is Mockup Studio? It is a feature-rich tool that provides you with access to an extensive library of mockups, including ebooks, magazines, mugs, and computers. This powerful tool allows you to easily create and customize images seamlessly, integrating them into your websites to elevate the aesthetic and professional look. So interested in leveraging more advanced visual tools to enhance your projects? Join us for a live workshop on May 16th. In this session, we will dive deep into how Mockup Studio can transform the way you create and present content on your website. Also, discover how to utilize these mockups to make your client's brand stand out in the digital space, all in less time than it takes to have your morning coffee. So let's see how Builderall can help you deliver the best service to your agency clients. Join our workshop on May 16th at 3 PM EST. Link is below.